everyone, I'm Sienna, and I'm here to help you break down the pose Chaturanga Dandasana, or in English, high to low plank. And in Sanskrit, it's Chaturanga Dandasana, which essentially means four-legged stick pose. Chaturanga Dandasana, you usually see it in vinyasa practices, and Chaturanga Dandasana is a very physically demanding pose. So it's important to discuss or to know the different modifications that you can use throughout your practice. So from your mat, bring your palms down your mat, shoulders width distance. To check, you can bring your fingertips towards each other. This should be shoulder width distance, and then bring your fingertips back to face the front wall. Step your feet at hips width distance. This is high plank. So we'll break it down a little bit. High plank, you'd want to really press down onto your palms. Mainly your weight, you'll feel it on the triad of your palms. It's your index finger and your thumbs, maybe your pinky fingers as well. And then you'd want to really engage your leg press through your heels towards the back wall. Your hips are in line with your shoulders and your heels. High plank. So one of the common mistakes that we usually do is that we let our hips droop down towards the ground. This is due to lack of core engagement. So what you can do here is really bring more awareness to your core and pull your belly button in towards your spine so your hips are in line with your shoulders and your heels. And the other mistake, the common mistake that we usually do, is that our hips are a little bit too high. So what you want to do here is bring more awareness to your tailbone and slowly tuck it in closer to the ground. This is your high plank. So the modification you can do if this is too much is to lower down onto your knees and lift your feet away from the ground. This releases tension from your wrists and your shoulders. That's high plank breakdown and modification. So now that you know the modification that you can do with high plank, we'll move on through the transition of high to low plank. From high plank, step your feet hips with distance. You can have your legs straight, fullest expression, or you can also come down onto your knees, whichever one works best for you. So you want to inhale, hinge forward. This is to make sure that your shoulders are stacked right over your wrists. Exhale into low plank. You can bend your elbows, not more than a 90-degree angle. So you can bend here. This can be low plank. This can be low plank. This can be low plank. Some of the common mistake that we do is we usually drop down too low, or our bellies are all the way down to the ground. So you want to maintain that slight tension by dropping down. You'll hug your triceps closer to your chest. I hope you found that helpful, and maybe we can do more breakdowns of poses. Let me know what you think in the comments down below and what kind of videos you'd want to see next. Hope to see you again on your mats.